Hello, today we are going to our second class of Python and we will see the command input. It's important to know that variables, they have a lot of commands to work with variables. In the last class we saw the command print, and print they show everything you have inside the variable. Input, they put the data inside the variable. They put information that you need to put inside the variables. So let's go to know what is variables. Variables are the most important thing to someone that wants to make programs with a language like C or JavaScript or Python. So variables is like a box that you put things inside. In the last class we saw something about variables, and we use the command print. In this class we use the command input. So let's see. Let's go to our platform. So in this platform is called the PyCharm. When it's possible, I will teach you how to make the download and install the PyCharm platform. Okay, you can see that in last class we talking about the variable name, and we use this example here, and I put a name inside a variable, and we use the command print to print this variable here. So we can see that it's like a box that you put information inside, and you use the command to show this information that we have inside this box. But today we can see the command input. Input is you do this way here. You go for this way here to use input. You create the variable first, like first number. You can create with a variable with the name that you want, no problem. And you can use here the command input, and you use double quotes, and you can write the first number. Okay, and after you can create a second variable called the second number. You use the command input, and you write here the phrase write the second number. Second number. Let's delete here. Okay. So but you have to use something that we call integer, that this word here, int, and you put here 2. And the first command, you use input, you put the phrase here that the people are using your system, your program, you receive to put the number, and you use int because it's a number, is called the integer. Integer is something to determine that you have a number that this number you put inside this variable here. So if you put another here, you have to complete here to don't have problems. Okay, but you can do more. You can do a sum about the first variable, that first number, plus second number. So you have the sum, and after you can print the sum. So you can have the phrase here, write first number 23, write second number 45, and you have the sum here 68. Let's put here to be okay. Okay, again, first number 45, 89, result 134. So it's very simple. You have a variable, it's like a box. You put the first number inside the box. You have another box here called second number. You put the number inside the second box, and after you have another box here. In this box here you put the other box before first number plus second number, and you print this box here, this variable here, and you arrive in 134 because you put 45, 89 plus 134. So, but if you don't put int here, what happened? Let me see here. So you have the same, but you put number 89. But now you don't have a result that sum the the two numbers, but they join the numbers, and you don't have the same result. So because you need the integer here to make it happen. So okay, pessoal. Oh, that's okay, folks. Until the next class, and bye, League. Bye until the next class.